What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Rick. In this video I will tell you how to sell other people objects. It's like dropshipping, but it's not the same thing. So follow this video until the end, because only at the end you will able to sell other people objects. But first I want to ask you for a like and a subscription if you like my content and maybe you would like more. Let's begin. In practice, this method consists in going to any type of shops or supermarkets or any type of wholesale shops and taking photos of the product that the shop sells. This is the first step. The second step is to publish the photo you had taken in the shop to selling app like Let's Go, Vinted, eBay, Mercury. But now I'll explain you step by step in more detail what you should doing to sell other people objects. The first step is find a supermarket. To find the shop you have to check three things. The first one is the price, because the price must be lower than the online competition. For example, this brush for dogs that costs only $4 and you can resell it on eBay for $13. $10 profit. This is a winning product because it has a special feature, a button on the back that eliminated every hair on this brush. The second requirement to find a shop is to find a shop that is near your house, because it's most important to make fast ship, because this gives to customer a guarantee and confidence into purchase. The last requirement to find a shop is the most important, because the shop must be multiple departments with multiple objects, like this shop that has a gardening depart, household items and stationery. In this type of shop you have a better chance on finding the perfect product to sell it online. Okay, now that you have found the shop, let's go to find a product, a winning product to sell on your shop. It's like dropshipping. You have to compare the product you have chosen in the shop to one, for example, on eBay, because on eBay you can understand first of all if the item is required from the market, and second of all understand if it's worth to buy. Having personally tried this method, I can tell you that the product who sell most are beauty products and animal products, such brush for dogs or plates for the hair. Okay, at this point you have found the shop and the product, but you don't know how to sell. No problem, because now I'll tell you how to sell. As soon as you have chosen the product you want to sell, you have to take a picture of it. I suggest you to take a picture of the product on the floor, because the background is more homogeneous. And remember to never show the shelves in a photo. As soon as the photo has been taken, you will need the product on a resale app. Second-hand selling apps are fine too. Always choose at least 2 apps, because always choose at least 2 apps, so there is a more chance to sell a product. Put a great title, put a great description of the product, some tags, nice photos, go, you're selling. Okay, now that you know all about reselling item from other store or shop, you can start reselling too. I remind you that we meet every Friday at 2 p.m. See ya.